You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these words and more confusing vocabulary, including animal names and names from science too. Many people mispronounce. Stay tuned to the channel, loads to learn here. Herbivore is how it's said in British English. Stress on the first syllable. Herbivore. Herbivore. Now in American English it's usually pronounced more as herbivore. And now you know, like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.